Texan Global School. Solids. Cylinder. This class discusses the general characteristics of the cylinder, cylindrical surface, area, and volume calculations. The cylindrical surface is that generated by a moving straight line, parallel to its initial position, that touches a given curved line equivalent to a circumference. The moving straight line is the generatrix represented as g, which in this case is the height, represented as h of the cylinder. If we cut the cylinder through one of its heights and disregard both of its bases, results in the cylindrical surface. A cylinder is a bounded solid by a cylindrical surface and two parallel plane circular sections called bases. It has the described cylindrical surface, a height or generatrix, radius, and diameter on its bases. The total surface area of the cylinder is calculated as the area of the two circular bases plus the area of the cylindrical surface. From previous classes, remember that the area of a circle is pi times radius squared. In this case, it will be two circles. And the area of the cylindrical surface, as a rectangle, is the base length times the height. In this case, the base length equals the length of a circumference, pi times diameter, or 2 pi times the radius. Hence, the total surface area is 2 pi times radius squared, plus 2 pi times the radius times the height. By factoring, the formula to calculate the total surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi times the radius plus the height. In this first example, let us find the total surface area of a cylinder with a 4 feet height and a radius of 3 feet. As demonstrated, let's use the formula to calculate the total surface area of a cylinder as 2 pi times the radius plus the height. Simply substitute the values of the radius 3 and the height 4, resulting a total surface area of the cylinder of 42 pi square feet. As seen, the total surface area of the cylinder is the area of the two circular bases plus the area of the cylindrical surface. Each of the two circles has an area of pi times the radius 3 squared. The area of the cylindrical surface is the length of the base equivalent to the circumference 2 pi times the radius 3 times the height 4. If we add the areas, results the same 42 pi square feet. Because the cylinder can be seen as a circular prism, its volume calculation is the same, the product of its altitude and the area of its base. As stated, the area of its base is pi times the radius squared. Hence, the volume is pi times the radius squared times the height of the cylinder. Let's see an example. Find the volume of a cylinder with a 4 feet height and a radius of 3 feet. By using the formula of the volume, substitute the radius 3 and the height 4. The volume results in 36 pi cubic feet. Once the area of a base is calculated, by multiplying the height, results the whole volume of the cylinder. In this last example, by cutting the top and bottom sections, remains a cylindrical soda can with a height of 7 inches and a diameter of 4 inches. Find the total surface area and the volume. The sketch shows the soda can with the eliminate top and bottom sections, resulting a cylinder with the given height and diameter. By using the formula to calculate the total surface area of a cylinder as, and substituting the given values of the radius 2, because it is half the diameter, and the height 7, results a total surface area of the cylinder of 36 pi square inches. By using the formula of the volume, substitute the radius 2 and the height 7. The volume results in 28 pi cubic inches. Once the area of a base is calculated, by multiplying the height, results the whole volume of the cylinder. Texan Global School. Global online learning. Knowledge for the world. www.texanglobalschool.com